Welcome, here I've got OPPO Reno4 and I'm gonna show you how to change aspect ratio in the camera app at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner. By tapping on this button we get access to 4 other buttons we can manage. Now let's focus on this one from the left. This is the camera frame, so the camera aspect ratio here. By tapping on this I can change this ratio to 1:1, the square one. The next one tap goes as to full frame, so the full aspect ratio, this is how it looks like in the camera preview. And once again we go to 16:9 and this is how it looks like. And by just another tap we can easily go back to 4:3, the original one aspect ratio here. And this is how to change this. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.